Hey, Mia. You look a little tired today. Are you okay?
Yeah, I am okay, Jesse.
I just feel a bit sleepy. I did not sleep well last night. Oh, what happened? Did something disturb you? Yes, actually. There was a lot of noise outside. Some people played loud music, and I could not sleep properly. That sounds really annoying. I usually wake up even with small sounds. Same here. I'm a light sleeper. Even a small noise wakes me up. So, what did you do then? I tried to ignore it at first, but it did not stop. Then I listened to some soft music on my phone, and finally I slept. That is a good idea. I sometimes do that too when I cannot sleep. Yeah, it helps a little. What about you? How was your night? My night was okay. I slept early because I felt very tired. Why were you so tired? Yesterday was a busy day. I had a lot of work at home. Oh, really? What did you do? In the morning, I cleaned my room. It was very messy, so I spent a lot of time arranging everything. I understand that. My room also gets messy very quickly. Yes, it happens all the time. I clean it, and after 2 days, it looks the same again. Exactly. I always say I will keep it clean, but I never do it. Same here. After cleaning, I helped my mom in the kitchen. What did you cook? We made some simple food. I cut vegetables, and she cooked everything. That sounds nice. I like helping in the kitchen sometimes. I also like it, but not every day. Sometimes I just feel lazy. Same. Today I feel very lazy. You look like that too. Hey, that is not nice. I know. So, what are your plans for today? I do not have many plans. I just want to rest a little. That sounds good. Sometimes we really need rest. Yes, I think so too. Yesterday, I also had a long day. Oh, tell me about it. In the morning, I woke up late. I missed my usual time. That happens to me too sometimes. Yes, and because of that, I felt rushed the whole day. I hate that feeling. Me too. I quickly got ready and skipped my breakfast. Oh no, that is not good. I always try to eat breakfast. I know, but I did not have time. So, what did you do after that? I went out to finish some work. There was a long line, and I waited for a long time. That must be frustrating. Yes, it was. I felt very bored while waiting. What do you usually do when you wait? I use my phone or just look around. Yesterday, I mostly checked messages. Same here. I always use my phone. After that, I met one of my relatives. Oh, how was that? It was nice. We talked for some time and then I came back home. Sounds like a busy day. Yes, it was not easy. Did you rest after coming home? No, I did not. I still had some work to do. Oh, that is tiring. Yes, I felt very tired by evening. What did you do in the evening? I sat for some time and watched TV. What do you usually watch? I like simple shows and sometimes movies. Nice. Yesterday I did not watch anything. Why not? I just felt too tired. I ate dinner and went to bed. That sounds like a peaceful end to the day. Yes, it was. Today, I want a calm day like that. You should take it easy then. Yes, I will. Do you have any work today? Only a little. I can finish it quickly. That is good. What about you? What do you do today? I have a few small tasks. I also want to relax. Looks like both of us want a relaxed day. Yes, we really need it. Yesterday was too much. I agree. Do you remember last week? We also felt like this. Yes, we said we will rest more, but we didn't. We always say that, but we never follow it. That is true. Maybe today is different. I hope so. So, Jesse, let me know, what do you usually do when you have a free day? I usually stay at home and relax. Sometimes I watch movies or listen to music. That sounds nice. I also like listening to music. It makes me feel calm. Yes, Mia, music really changes my mood. Yesterday, I listened to some old songs. Oh, I love old songs. They feel very peaceful. Exactly. I sat quietly and just listened. It was a nice moment. I did something similar last week. I sat near the window and listened to music. That sounds beautiful. I like sitting near the window too. Yes, I feel relaxed when I look outside. Same here. Sometimes I just watch people walking and doing their work. I do that too. It feels simple but nice. So, are you going out today? No, I do not think so. I want to stay at home today. That is a good decision. Yesterday you had a busy day. Yes, Jesse, I really need some rest. Do you plan to do anything special at home? Not really. I just want to relax and maybe clean my room a little. That is good. I cleaned my room yesterday and now it looks nice. I remember you said that. I should also do it. Yes, you should. It feels good after cleaning. I know, but I feel lazy to start. Just start with one small thing, then it becomes easier. That is true. Yesterday I started my work slowly and then I finished everything. See, you can do it. Yes, I think I can. Do you remember the last time we cleaned together? Yes, that was fun. We talked a lot and cleaned at the same time. And we laughed so much. Yes, it did not feel like work at all. We should do that again. Yes, we should plan it. Maybe this weekend? That sounds like a good idea. Okay, let us do that. Deal. By the way, what did you eat yesterday? I ate simple food. I had rice and vegetables. That sounds healthy. Yes, it was light and good. I ate outside yesterday. Oh, what did you eat? I ate some fast food. That is nice sometimes, but not every day. Yes, I know. Yesterday, I just wanted something different. That is okay. Today, I want to eat something homemade. That is a good choice. Do you cook today? Maybe a little. I help my mom again. You help a lot. I try to help when I can. That is good. Yesterday, I did not help much at home. It is okay. You were busy. Yes, but today I will help. That is nice. Do you exercise daily? Not daily, but I try. I do not exercise much. You should start. Even a little is good. Yes, I say that every time, but I don't do it. Start today then. Maybe I will go for a short walk. That is perfect. Yesterday I walked a lot because I went out. So you already did some exercise? Yes, I think so. See, you are doing better than you think. Maybe you are right. Of course I am right. Okay. Do you feel better now than before? Yes, I feel a little better now. That is good. Talking helps. Yes, it always does. Yesterday I felt stressed, but now I feel calm. I am glad to hear that. Thank you for talking with me. Anytime. So, what do you do next? I think I will sit for some time and relax. Same here. Maybe I will listen to music again. Good idea. I will also listen to music. We both are doing the same things today. Yes, we are. It feels like a peaceful day. Yes, it does. Do you remember, Mia, what we did 2 days ago? Yes, Jesse, I remember. We went out together. Yes, that was a nice day. It was. We walked a lot and talked about many things. I enjoyed that time. Me too. I always enjoy when we spend time together. Same here. It feels very comfortable. Do you often go out like that, Jesse? Not very often, but I try to go out sometimes. I also try, but sometimes I feel too tired. Yes, that happens to me too. That day, I was not tired at all. I felt very active. Yes, you were very energetic. And you were very quiet at first. Yes, I felt a little shy at the beginning. But later, you talked a lot. Yes, I felt more comfortable later. I noticed that. Do you usually feel comfortable quickly with people? Not really. I take some time. Same here. But with you, I feel comfortable. I feel the same. That is nice. Yes, it is. What did you do after you went home that day? After I came home, I rested for some time. Did you feel tired? Yes, I felt very tired, but happy. I also felt the same. Then I ate dinner and watched a little TV. I did not watch TV that day. I just slept early. That is good. Yes, I needed rest. Do you usually sleep early? Not always. Sometimes I stay awake for a long time. Same here. I sometimes use my phone late at night. Yes, that happens to me too. Yesterday, I tried not to use my phone much. That is a good habit. I am trying to improve my routine. That is great. I also want to improve my routine. What do you want to change? I want to wake up early and sleep on time. That is a good goal. But it is not easy. Yes, it takes time. Yesterday, I failed again. It is okay. You can try again today. Yes, I will try. Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning? I usually drink tea. Same here. I like tea more than coffee. Yesterday, I did not drink tea because I was in a hurry. That must feel strange. Yes, my morning did not feel complete. I understand that. Today, I already drink tea. Good. Now your day feels normal. Yes, it does. Do you have any hobbies? I like drawing sometimes. That is nice. Are you good at it? I'm not perfect, but I enjoy it. That is what matters. What about you? I like reading. Oh, that is good. What kind of books do you read? I read simple stories and sometimes short novels. Yesterday, did you read anything? No, I did not have time. You were busy the whole day. Yes, I was. Today, you can read something. Yes, I will try. I think reading helps us relax. Yes, it does. Maybe I will also try reading. You should. It is very nice. Okay, I will. Do you like rainy days? Yes, I love rainy days. Me too. Yesterday, it looked like it would rain. Yes, the sky was cloudy, but it did not rain. Yes, I was waiting for rain. Same here. Rain makes everything feel fresh. Yes, and the weather becomes cool. I enjoy sitting and watching the rain. Me too. Maybe it rains today. I hope so. If it rains, I will make tea and enjoy it. That sounds perfect. Yes, it does. Do you like mornings or evenings more?
I like evenings more. They feel calm and quiet.
Yes, evenings are very peaceful.
Yesterday evening was very nice.
What did you do, Mia?
I sat outside for some time and watched the sunset. That sounds beautiful. It was, Jessie. The sky looked very colorful. I like sunsets too. They make me feel relaxed. Yes, I feel the same. Yesterday evening, I stayed inside. Why? I felt tired, so I just sat quietly. Sometimes staying inside feels better. Yes, I needed that rest. Today evening, what do you plan to do? I think I will go outside for a short walk. That is a good idea. Do you want to join me? Yes, I would like that. Great. We can walk and talk. Yes, like last time. Exactly. Last time we talked about many random things. Yes, and we laughed a lot. I remember that. It was fun. Do you laugh easily? Yes, I do. I laugh at small things. Same here.
Yesterday, I watched a funny video and I laughed a lot. I also watch funny videos sometimes. They make my mood better. Yes, they do. Do you feel stressed often? Sometimes, yes. What do you do when you feel stressed? I try to stay quiet and relax. That is good. Yesterday, I felt a little stressed because of work. But you finished everything, right? Yes, I did. So now you feel better. Yes, I feel relaxed now. That is nice. Do you talk to someone when you feel stressed? Yes, I talk to close people. That helps a lot. Yes, it does. Yesterday, I did not talk much. I just focused on my work. Sometimes that is also needed. Yes. Today feels different. Yes, today feels calm. I like days like this. Me too. Do you like going to crowded places? Not really. I prefer quiet places. Same here. Yesterday, there was a lot of noise outside your house. Yes, and I did not like it at all. I understand that. I prefer peace and silence. Me too. Sometimes I just sit alone and think. What do you think about? Just simple things about life? That sounds nice. Yesterday, I thought about how busy we were. Yes, we had a lot to do. Today, we are more relaxed. Yes, it feels like a break. We need breaks like this. Yes, we do. Do you like planning your day? Sometimes I do, but sometimes I just go with the flow. Same here. Yesterday, I planned my day, but it still felt busy. That happens. Today, I am not planning much. That is better. Yes, I just want to relax. Me too. Do you think we should plan something fun soon? Yes, that is a great idea. Maybe we can go out again. Yes, like the other day. We can visit a new place. That sounds exciting. Let's think about it later. Okay. For now, we just enjoy today. Yes, let's keep it simple. I like simple days. Me too.